You guys, welcome back to my channel. For today, Andre and I are going to take you guys grocery shopping with us. Not necessarily a healthy grocery haul or anything, just a grocery haul, average day for 2 people. And then I'm going to take you guys on a tour of my entire kitchen and fridge as well, and put away the groceries and share all of the good stuff with you guys. So if that's something you guys want to see, then just keep watching. I feel like this is too early to do groceries. Like, there's not going to be anybody here. All right, we're doing groceries. We're here before the normal people. It's like 9 a.m. on a Monday. I'm acting like I just woke up. I've been up for like 4 hours. Do you want 2? Do you want 1? I feel like you would like falafel. They're cute.
And then we pick up dressing. I don't see green. And we have green at home, so that's good.
Alrighty, so we are back. All of our bags are here. This is probably the most non-healthy item that we grabbed. This is specifically for Andre because he had these during the summer and was obsessed with them, and I think they were like remnants of the summer. It's like a mixed type of chip. Other than that, I think we did pretty good on our haul. So I'm going to take everything out. I'll lay it out here so that you guys can see what we got, and I'm gonna put it away. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of the fridge as well as our pantry and show you how I organize everything. All right, so starting over here, this is kind of like our dinner stuff. So we got some baby spring mix. These are for Andre. They are pre-seasoned turkey burgers with cranberry and spinach. This is for me. I love a good salmon, and then Andre's gonna have pork loin. So this is for our lunches, and dinner tonight will be this with some broccoli. And then for breakfast, we usually do some Maplewood smoked bacon with some eggs, English muffins, and usually a little bit of cheese. And then we got these pre-made salads, so good, oh my goodness. So we got this Mediterranean falafel bowl and then a Greek bowl. And to make for dinner tomorrow, probably I'll try and show you guys on my stories, but I do this recipe with meatballs. These are just pre-made, so a lot easier for me. So caramelized onion meatball. And then what you do is you hollow out the tomato. So you cut it in half, hollow it out, and then you put the meatball inside with some onions and some potatoes in the crock pot. It's super easy meal, but it's delicious. And then I'll probably do a spaghetti one night, and they had like a Italian sausage meat, which I love, just buying sausages, opening them up and using that for the spaghetti sauce. So I'm gonna do that. This was easier with some fusilli, and I just got this tomato sauce. I love a good rosé, so that was new at the store. I'd never seen it before, so I love that. The Greek yogurt is for Andre. I usually do a leek and potato soup or some sort of a soup for lunch with a sandwich. So I got, tip, by the way, I don't know if your grocery store does this, but ours does. They have like remnants of just different meats, and it's enough for 1 or 2 people. So I usually do that. I'm gonna do some pesto on my sandwich. Andre got himself some pre-made sandwiches. And then for snacks, we do carrot chips with hummus, and then we just got these steakhouse garlic dips that came with the salads, but we're gonna use them as a dip. And then those are Andre's chips. This is the lime juice that I get, and I put it in my margaritas. Cashew milk. This is so freaking good. We've gone through like 3 of them. Sweet apple cider, and then that's the pumpkin spice almond milk that I get. So that's pretty much everything. I think I went through everything that we got, yeah. All right, so I'm gonna put all of this away. Andre and I are gonna make ourselves breakfast. It is 10:28 a.m. At 11 a.m. today, our time, the Love Your Melon Disney collection goes live. And I'm gonna do my best to snag one of them for you guys for a giveaway. So you know here first. And the winner for today's giveaway will be announced down below. So this past week we did a ColourPop Disney giveaway, and it included a Foreo cleansing brush, the entire ColourPop Disney collection, palette, bag, and then like the Rapunzel blush as well as the lip. So amazing. So we'll drop the winner in the comments down below and we will contact them to get them their contact information and send them out their gift along with a couple extra goodies and a handwritten card from me. So hopefully I can get the Love Your Melon beanie and that'll be the next giveaway. Just gotta get it. It'll be interesting. It'll be stressful. I can get one for myself. I just have no idea which color I want. There's pink, gray, and black, and then there's some without the pom-poms. I don't know. We shall see. Okay, babe. Let's make breakfast. Okay, so I'm just gonna start putting stuff away in the fridge. Yesterday, I took you guys through a full deep clean of the house, and one thing that I did was I cleaned out the fridge. So this is gonna go actually, because I just got a new one. And what I did is I organized our dressings on the top rack, so just way cleaner, way more organized. And then I put my juices, so kombucha, aloe juice, beet and strawberry juice, and then apple cider vinegar. So anything that I use for like my detox drinks or whatnot are up here. Coffee creamers, and then like breakfast type stuff. So like applesauce, and not that applesauce is necessarily a breakfast thing, it's just sweeter, so I didn't know where else to put it. Syrup, because Canadian. And I feel so, every time I show syrup, I'm like, for us and where we are in Canada, it's like, Andre, how much is a thing of syrup for us? Like $10? And that's good, right? For where we are? You guys, Andre was in the grocery industry, so he knows all these things. What? Yeah, compared to, right? So like a big, what would this be? 500 ml is like $10. $8? Yeah. See, he knows. He knows. He listed this, right? Did you list this maple syrup? He did. That's what he used to do. And then I guess margarita stuff, so like the margarita area. And then mustards and condiments, hot sauce, stuff like that. And I put the extra flow water here. And then I got this vegan mayonnaise. Is this your product? Did you list this?
No.
Okay, so that's after he left. He works full time with me now. And ketchup and Andre's hot sauce. And then we're into bubbly now. Bubbly's cheaper. It's not necessarily better. It doesn't taste better, I don't think. It's just, it's cheaper. And then, okay, this is like, I'm kind of off of it now, but for a long time I was obsessed. The yellow Red Bull, tropical. It's straight cannolis for you, but it's delicious. Yeah, Andre loves it. And you have to drink your smoothie. See, or more apple cider. It's sweet apple cider. And then this is almost done, the cold brew pumpkin spice latte. I'm gonna switch over to the peppermint mocha one soon. And then up here I keep like feta cheese and cream cheese, and then that's the whipped cream that I put on my smoothie that's up there. Can you see that? Yeah. And then eggs, pickles, olives. This is all sauerkraut here. And then these are the muffins that I made in one of the video. What was the video? The nighttime routine video. And then these are all like meal prep, turkey and stuff like that from Canadian Thanksgiving. And some smoked salmon. More meal prep stuff. That's pretty much it for now. So I'm gonna put everything away and then we're gonna cook breakfast. That's good still. Ginger wig. He's like, nothing is sticking right now.
That's good though, right?
Yeah, I guess. Doritos.
Yes. A little bit.
We got our music. Okay. An apple cider. And you got your smoothie?
The order's being processed. And done.
It's done! We got it! Okay, so it's official. This week's giveaway will be for a Love Your Melon X Disney beanie. It's amazing. So we got the gray one with the black Mickey logo. You're welcome. So all you have to do is make sure that you're subscribed, following on Instagram, and just be the most engaged. There's no like weirdness or anything like that. Just be positive and engaged, comment, like, do all the things on all the most recent videos. And we're gonna eat now, and I'm gonna take you guys through our pantry after. All right, so I just cleaned out the entire cupboard. I went through each of the bins, just threw out anything that was expired. There was surprisingly a lot of stuff that I had left in there, like the seeds and the nuts and just the different things that I don't really use that much, like my baking products and stuff. So I basically divided these 4 bins into our most used items. Some don't really make sense, but I know where they go. So I have some pasta and extra rice that I put in the, I guess like a carb bin. I just call it the breakfast bin because it's mostly oats, but anything extra I put in there. And then I have a lot of baking stuff, even though I don't bake that much. So I have my baking bin. The bins are just from IKEA. And then I have like some coconut oil on the sides. I am not, for anyone, before you guys get excited, I'm not pregnant. I'm taking prenatal vitamins for my hair. Just that way I don't have to take biotin pills. And I don't take them that often, so I can't tell if it's working or not. I just found them and I was like, maybe I should be taking these. The other ones that I love are the Oli ones, which are in my supplements drawer bin. And in that bin, I have everything from like fitness stuff that I've talked to you guys about before. My Natural Calm, which I really, really like. That's like a magnesium supplement. It helps you sleep and it just helps you chill out. And then I have some inulin and just a bunch of other stuff in there. Different things that I've been sent or that I'm trying out. And then in the seeds and nuts bin, I got these little organizers off of Amazon. They're like little black lids. I guess I could label them. So I put any stuff in there. And then I had like a bunch of Jell-O packets from baking, so I put that in there as well. And then up top, you can see these bins here. They're from IKEA. So I'll show you that. So this style of bin is, most of the bins in here actually are all from IKEA. And then I did some clear labels and I printed these myself. So it's just printed, just normal, like on a printer. It just looks really clean with the clear label. So my oats, I mixed rolled oats with steel cut. Is that how you say steel cut oats? And then quinoa, it's just a couple different mixed together. I actually blended one bottle with another one. And then wild rice, white rice, brown rices, and then some more oats. And then here are my oils. So I have like this fancy CBD oil, some coconut fractioned oil, some oil that we got from Greece, and then any vinegar, so white vinegar, balsamic vinegar, Bragg's all-purpose seasoning, and then avocado oil back there. And then I think I have castor oil, which I don't use for cooking, it's for my hair. And then I think there's an extra coconut oil back there. So I wiped everything down also. And then here I have more baking stuff. So I have these little goodies that are gonna come out to play this week. They're like my little vials of sprinkles. And then I always get sprinkles anytime I'm at Home Goods or Winners or Marshalls. Like this I still haven't used, but I just thought it was so cute. And then I have some pumpkin spice seasoning, some extra syrups, like non-maple syrup, and some more sprinkles and food coloring. And then all the flavorings are at the back, like the vanilla and the almond extract and all of that. And then spices, which is mostly just my margarita salt. Oh, there's a delivery here. Carl, you wanna come on, come check it out. It's your favorite. Go check it out. Okay, this is what was just delivered. I am dead. I'm gonna unbox it on my Instagram if you guys wanna check it out. And then in here, I'm pretty sure is my pumpkin teapot that I have been looking for. It's a version of It'll Do. And you got literally Walt Life. It's a subscription box. It's a Disney subscription box. Don't even with me right now. I will unbox this on Instagram. Bug, you all about it right now. Carl. It's not a bark box. Yeah, do you know what that means? It's not a bark box. All right, so where were we? We were talking about the oils. Oh yeah, and the spices. So these are the salts that I use for my margaritas. I wonder if we can make this brighter. There we go. Yeah. So this is the smoked sea salt, and then I have another oak smoked sea salt, peppercorns, and then sriracha salt, and then just regular salt and pepper and chili flakes. So just the basics are in here. My spice drawer, I'll actually show it to you guys if you want to see it. And steel cut oats are here. Oh, I said it right here. Oh, Yeah, that should have gone in. Oh well. And then flour. I just mix them. I find it looks pretty anyways. Raisins, chia seeds are all mixed. Isn't that beautiful? It's all mixed in there. And then chocolate chips are here, and then pasta. So like I said, I have my breakfast stuff, which I just put my pasta and rice up here, which I could probably condense in the bins up here. And then baking stuff. We've got like icing and sugar and yeast and all of the stuff. Coconut oil, and this is basically like my hair section, and all of my oils, so extra virgin olive oil, and then drink mixes are back there. And then like I said, I have my natural calm supplements and stuff like that, seeds and nuts. And then down here I have like soups and canned goods. Carl, what are you doing? Carl, get off the table, get down. He's on the table. Carl. Oh my goodness. Okay. So soups, tomato and red pepper soup, and then a bunch of garbanzo beans. Garbanzo? How do I say it? Garbanzo beans and red kidney beans. Like I said, soups. Andre puts Mio, this one, in his pre-workout. And I don't need to because mine is fruit punch flavored. So he just takes the lemon one and mixes it with the blue raspberry. I got some ghee off of Amazon, which we're gonna use. And then I just got these because I used to have these as a kid and I was craving them. So we're gonna put that on the side of our dinner tonight. I needed to do it. And beach bars, which are like our go-to snack, Nutella, peanut butter, and molasses, cause yum. And this is agave to sweeten some stuff. And then down here I have all my supplements that are like our go-to. So this is our post-workout shake. I've got 2 of them here. This is the smoothie that I have every morning. So these are vanilla, this is strawberry and vegan chocolate, and then the pumpkin one that I've been having lately. Pre-workout packets for when we travel. This is like a during workout and the best hangover remedy ever. And then extra condiments, so an extra hot sauce and extra vinegar, and then more beach bars and like travel size stuff. I think that's pretty much it. Oh, these are the BCAAs I use sometimes. So yeah, that's pretty much the pantry. What you doing down there? Do you feel like you're in trouble a little bit? Was it you that was on the table? Carl, was it you that was on the table? All right, and over here, this was like a little customized area that we did. It's basically our Flavor Gods section. So I have all of my Flavor Gods kind of organized as best I could. They're kind of hard to read because they keep changing the colors of the lids. And then I've got some more down here. I've got like a Rocco's Tacos seasoning. If you guys know what Rocco's Tacos is, like the best. I think it's mostly in Florida. And then down here I just have like my Ziploc versions and then some little spices and extras down here. So it's like our little seasoning drawer. It's quite convenient. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed the kitchen tour, all the organization, the food haul, the groceries, and kind of like the vlog style. And if you guys like this, like it really is a day in the life, and it happened today, Monday. So if you guys like that type of style, give this video a thumbs up so I can know. Comment down below with your organization tips and if there's something that I helped you with, by the way, please let me know because it always makes me happy. Something that you might not have known about. And at the very least, if Carl made you laugh, because he's a piece of work, then let me know. Make sure that you are subscribed, hit the bell for notifications. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. It's super simple, and I can't believe that we snagged that. I was super pumped. And with that said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, dudes.